so today we are going to play throw darts. Okay, so what is throw darts? Throw dart is a play that we are going to target something to get higher mark with friends. Okay, so apa yang perlu ada untuk bermain dengan permainan ni? Okay, first is a dartboard. Okay, here, and this one is a dart. We have two equipments only. Okay, so stay tuned to know how to play. Okay, so now we are going to play darts. Okay, so firstly, you need to position, and then in the position your body and also your hand to throw darts. Okay, so next one, just throw the darts using 3 fingers, which is a tripod grabs. Maintain the position like this, and then throw. Okay, let's try again. Okay, that's all. So korang boleh bermain secara berkumpulan ataupun bergili-gili dengan kawan-kawan. So good luck. Okay, now we are going to talk about the benefit from playing throw dart. Okay, first is to help in hand and eye coordination. Why? Because when our child playing with these toys, they tend to use hand and eye and focus to target the marks. Okay, next is improve social skill. When our child playing this toy, they tends to bergaul dengan kawan-kawan untuk bermain bersama-sama. Okay, so next is, which is the last one, is to improve ataupun to encourage the strategic thinking, di mana mereka akan berfikir untuk bermain ataupun untuk target to the highest mark. Okay, so this is all the benefit from playing the throw darts. Okay, umur yang sesuai untuk bermain dengan throw darts adalah 8 tahun ke atas. Jadi parents boleh bermain dengan anak-anak dan selamat mencuba di rumah. Okay, bye!